Alright, so we just went ahead and cleared out that entire arm right there on this side, and alright, there we go. No more tension on this plug at all. I can even secure it back down. There we go. And we should be good. Alright. Now I'm going to torque all these back down to, I don't know, probably like a little under what I would torque a spark plug down to, I guess. Just like till it's tight and then like a quarter turn, half turn. And we should be good to go. And then we can go ahead and throw this on the car. And see if we got a W or a fat L. Okay, actually I think these little spacers, they go up here. And then I think these bolts with the washers on them, because there's only 4 of them, go in these holes. And that would make more sense because these things right here provide space between the gaps in these 4 things here. So let's go ahead and mock this up and make sure we got something. Oh man, this is gonna be a little off. Fuck. Shit. We're good on this side. Just need a little push, just a little bit. All right. I think we're on the right track here. This is why it's very important, if you're gonna do something like this, to document what you're doing. Now, I can tell you from first-hand experience, making these videos while I'm learning, like I'm actively learning as I'm taking things apart and I'm trying to describe what's going on to you guys, and just doing stuff like that alone helps you understand things more better. And yeah, it's just a good idea if you're taking something very delicate apart, like say a battery or, you know, a transmission or whatever it may be. Just take the time to document, even bag out things. Bag and tag. That's what they say. You bag it, you tag it, you label it, and then you won't have any issues. Now, the moment of truth, it's got little hooks at the bottom here. We just kind of slide them on in. And wouldn't you know it, everything seems to be lining up just fine. These last 4 bolts are going to be, I assume, these 4 guys right here. And we still have spare stuff here. I'm going to assume these 4 bolts go up in here, because we did just take out a few of those. Maybe these ones were the ones that were supposed to have the washers on them. Shit. It would make more sense to have washers on these, wouldn't it? Let's take these out. Okay, survey says they are actually these like 1-inch long 10s. I tried using these longer ones in here and they stopped. They bottomed out, essentially. They stopped threading because there was no more room for them to thread. So 3rd time's the charm on these guys. So smaller 1-inch ones, and then we're gonna have these longer, about 1 1/4 inch ones with the washers on them. We're gonna use. We're gonna figure out where all these bolts go. We still have these holes right here. These ones might be the ones with the washers on them, actually. we'll see when we get there. Alright. So we got the little washer stack things in here. Ooh, I just got a little shock from that. I guess we won't do that again. Or was I just tripping? Let's check out the voltometer here. I swear I just got a little buzz. And these would probably have power to them. 94 volts. I just got a little 94 volt buzz there. Okay, so there are two hot spots. These two things, don't touch these two things with your hand while you're putting this back together, because those are hot. Just for proof here, 94, 95 volts. Definitely made my hand. I thought I was like just kind of like cramping up my hand or something. Definitely had electricity. All right, put these on here. There we go. All right, so I think I got this all back together. Again, these 2 points right here, don't touch both of them at the same time. I'm just going to tighten these down until they're somewhat snug. I think that should be good. I was worried about this one, but I think it just needed to catch more threads or something. Make sure everything's tightened down. I am going to use this guy for that. Okay. Oh, we still haven't torqued down this yet. Alright. So we are only missing this bolt right here, which I believe is in the car. Yeah, let's go ahead and try to get this in the car. Oh boy.
Now this is some heavy shit.
Okay. So we got this one. Putting the charger back on the new battery setup. And in theory, we should have a hybrid for gears. can I have just one good thing, one thing go my way? Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, I'm gonna do a deep clean of the garage. So I went and grabbed this thing. It's like $20. We're still getting a low battery number there, but let's. Oh, did I not turn it on? No, it's on. But there's nothing going on. The battery light's not on. The IMA light's not on. It's not charging. I guess we need to go on a real test drive. You would think that the battery light would be like full gauge if it was like perfect, right? There's no charging. There you go. 4 chargy lights. So something's happening. It's communicating with itself. It sounded like a computer just started. I don't know if the 4 lights are like standard, but shouldn't the battery? Maybe it has to calibrate. We'll just stop complaining and go for a drive. You guys, we got 3 battery bars. I'm wondering if the best move is just gonna be to charge this car overnight with the max volts charger. And then go on its maiden voyage. I know probably in the grand scheme of things won't matter much, but the fact that this hasn't recalibrated already, it's a good sign. But let's just go for a drive because it's been a while since we've driven a real car, halfway real car. All right, so we're still at 3 bars.
Power off.
We're still at 3 bars. But when the car starts to charge, this weird hissy, like staticky noise. I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up on the camera or not. I'm starting to wonder if maybe I didn't torque down. I don't think I torqued down the 10s that hold those terminals. I don't know if I torqued those down all the way. I think I just torqued down the screws. Let me go double check at this parking lot really quick. But so far so good. I mean, the assist goes all the way up. The charge bars go all the way to the ground. So that's a good sign out the gate. We don't have any battery lights on. I'm gonna pull off in this parking lot and take a look at the. I might have just done something stupid and rushed to test drive this. Alright, the survey says they weren't tight, but they were there. Hopefully I didn't wire the battery wrong or something. I don't think that's possible. Alright, I just put the shield back on a little bit. Just with the... Oh, battery's gonna die, of course. So the auto stop works. The car is definitely faster now. And it doesn't have the lag in the transmission anymore. I think we got a W, you guys. The only thing that's concerning is that static. It's almost like the speakers. Battery's gonna die again, but I think we got a W, guys. I'm just gonna say it's a W for now and put this video out, and tomorrow's another day.